Look for the IT industry and the M&A strategy of the company. Take a look at the slice of the conversation.
I think we had that target almost 6-7 years ago when we formulated that vision. And I think we are on track to achieve it because we are already 118 exports and another 35 domestic. So we are already at around 145, 150 kind of revenue. So 200 is going to happen, surely.
So 150 to 200 should be a fairly easy task. If you have to look at a 9 to 10% growth, provided you are able to get a 10% growth, would there be a chance that in the later years if digital revenues kick in stronger, you'll be able to cross that $200 billion?
Yeah, actually we had given a range. 200 is not one fixed number that we had given. But within that range, if digital revenues really kick up in terms of size of business, which is happening, I do see it in the marketplace. And if that kicks in at a faster rate, and we have to see there are many other things just beyond technology, there are many other things that we need to look at. But if it kicks in, yes, why not?
Okay. As far as Mastek is concerned, so one quick question. You have been doing multiple buybacks to ensure returns to shareholders. There's been a sense and a theme across the board, be it Infosys, Cognizant, TCS has announced it today. I want to understand, as far as returns to capital, return of capital to shareholders is concerned, what is the plan now that Mastek is looking at? And what is the plan as far as cash utilization is concerned?
See, Mastek has been acquiring companies, and as you know, we have acquired already a company just 3 weeks, 4 weeks back. So we do feel that there are opportunities in acquisition. We have done a buyback few times before we split into Mastek and Majesco.
Would there be a further buyback after the split?
No, I would not like to speak specifically on Mastek in that sense, what we want to do, but we would obviously like to get best out of money that we have through the acquisitions too, because acquisitions are important part of our growth, and which we have done already one, and we would like to look beyond that.
What kind of acquisitions, how large would they be?
I wouldn't say large size as much as the kind of skills that we are looking at from the digital space and solutions that we are looking at. The one that we acquired recently in US was indeed in that area, in the digital area, and they brought in some specific new skills to us and new marketplace. So our search will continue along those lines, whether they are niche or not, whether what size is not important as much as the skills and the specific solutions, because the speed has to be extremely fast in this digital world that we need to capture the market space.